Hello and welcome to Yasmina's Slimes. So today we're going to be making slime. And I have this to show you what slime we're going to be making. And it has glitter and sequins in it. So the first ingredient you're going to need is glue. I got this glue from the Dollar General. You're also going to need a container to make and store your slime in. You're going to need a spoon to stir it up.
And an activator.
And yes, you're going to need activator.
And glitter glue.
We're also going to have food coloring to give you that pop of color in your slime. We also have some sequins, if you would like to put it in as your choice. And then I have glitter glue pens to put glitter glue into the slime, and I do also have glitter. So the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to have to pop your glue into the bowl. It's a little hard to get off. Okay, now that we got it off, we're going to put the glue into the bowl. I'm not going to put all of it. We're going to put a little bit. Now, you're going to start putting your activator in little by little. And stir it up really good as you go to make sure it starts getting activated into slime. Okay, it's coming together, and you will have to stop adding activator when it gets harder to mix. It's getting harder to mix now, but it is not finished. Do not touch it. Okay, the activator that I'm using is Stayflow or Stafflow, however you want to pronounce it, but you can use Tide or any liquid starch or something like that. And you can also use contact solution and baking soda, but I don't choose to use that because after a while it gets like a wet consistency or a feeling.
Last time you did that, Mina.
Okay. So it's getting mixed up and it's getting really hard to mix now, but I'm still gonna add a little bit more activator because it's still sticky, as like you can see it's sticky. Okay. That was just the right amount. Now you're going to start to knead it to make sure there's no lumps and you have a good, nice, soft slime. And it might be still sticky, but that's why you have to mix it. See that? It has a very good consistency right now. It's coming together. And then after this, you can add your food coloring and your glitter or your sequins or your glitter glue whatever you want to add to it at the end.
How about glitter glue?
And you still have some in the bowl, but just getting that out. Okay, so now I think it's mixed all together. We're gonna just do a couple more mixings. And now I'm gonna add some food coloring into my slime. I'm gonna use a green,
I know the green will work,
but I'm gonna use a little bit.
ooh.
Okay. Okay, now it's getting to like a light green, but it kind of looks like a turquoise.
Maybe it's gonna, ooh, that's a pretty color.
Yeah.
I know, if you make white slime and you put the green in, it'll make a turquoise color.
And before you do this, it would be good to ask your parents for permission.
Permission. Because if you don't, you'll be in trouble.
So now we're gonna add some glitter. I'm gonna add some silver glitter.
I knew that.
No, we're not gonna add a lot, but we're gonna add a little bit for it to be seen.
That's a lot.
That's a really pretty slime.
Can I see? Oh, that's pretty. Now it's gonna be like mine because it has glitter in it. But silver glitter. And mine's blue.
Now this is the finished result. It's really soft, really stretchy.
You did a good job.
It's a really pretty color. And yeah, thanks for watching.